What's going on, everybody? Bama here. I've been asked by several people to offer a tour of my tackle bag. I guess at some point we need to talk about our reels. We got two coming in Monday. We'll talk about those. On the table behind me here, let me get out of the shot, got my tackle bag as well as some goodies that come in the mail, including that 6 cents premium sack. We'll get into all that. Gonna swap over to the head cam in 3, 2. All right, first thing we want to just do a tour of the bag itself. This is the Lose Mock backpack. I mean, I've already hiked a couple of miles with this thing. Hadn't had it too long. Nice, strong, durable straps. Nice back, lower back, and side back comfort spots right there. What I love is just the sheer amount of junk I can pile in this bag. Start here with our sunglasses, which apparently are missing. It's cool. We paid 10 bucks for them. As you guys have probably guessed, these GoPros burn through batteries. So I've got this whole compartment up here where I keep all of my spare batteries. There's 2 right there I got to take in and charge now. A stick mount if I ever decide somewhere a random spot I need to stick something to. So chest strap there, keep the head strap in here, as well as the old camcorder. And that's special about this guy, records in 4K, nice and affordable. Got it for Christmas, using that one as well. One of these days I'll upgrade to a big fancy Sony one. I've seen a couple I like already. So, like I said, all my camera crap fits right in this top. Camera crap, sunglasses on the front here, pliers, nothing special, Ozark Trail. For what I spent on them, I've gotten my use out of them already. Lip gripper, so that when I scale them, I don't have to run through the gills. Speaking of scale right here. Attractant, when I remember to use it. And a special little thing I like right here. Yeah, you read that right. That says gamer goo. Down here in Alabama, where it is 1,000% humidity in the summertime, dry hands is extremely important. Gamer goo is great for that. I can leave a link down in the description. Use BAMA as a discount code. You can save 10%. We've been with them for years at this point. Front compartment here currently has that would be all of my trailer slash swim baits slash Ned rig crap, because of the Sakoshi bug was so big it wouldn't fit in the side compartment that I had for them. Over here got plenty of room for 6 or 7 sets of worms. That's just where I keep all my little curly tails. Other side got my stick baits. Got some lunker logs, got some Weston trick worm, or not trick worm, stick worm. Even got some Bass Pro Shop brand. Been trying out some different stuff. Now those came in mystery tackle box. Up here got my, yeah, that would be, those don't go in there. My crawls, this whole section's crawls. Yeah, they're all Guggen. No, there's, no. Behind the Guggen is the HD crawl we just got out of our mystery tackle box. Yeah, and they're good looking little crawls. They do not like a 3/0 hook though. They're too small for that, so need to pick up some smaller ones than that. Top spot up here should have line. Just some simple 10-pound fluoro and then 4-pound fluoro for the crappie rig. And then we get to the juice, the absolute juice, which we've got a bunch to add into here today, and should be some more coming in tomorrow. This thing fits 5 3,700 size boxes. We'll get those laid out for you here real quick. Crank one, got a bunch to throw in there. There's that headbanger I just got. A $15 headbanger, lost its tail, didn't come with a spare one. That hurt my feelings a little bit. Here's where those little shad guys go. This is just our little crappie box. We're new to crappie fishing. Trying to let it get more closer to crappie season. Gonna go out with Roy Love Roy's teaching me everything I know about crappie fishing so far. Good old box of terminal tackle. Then our jig box. I think I got a new one to throw in here too. And the last one is top water. Got 3 really cheap whopper ploppers we got out of our Christmas box. Caught a fish on one of those. There's still one on my Lew's reactor reel right now. Then there's that one from West in there. I really like it. It just doesn't feel like it matches anything here. Then down in the bottom you got remnants of fishing line, the pouch that goes with our pliers, and part of a crack and crawl. So I know we can put that up. I think I got something to go in here. We'll put them all up for right now. That way we can get into the meat and potatoes. The real stuff I want to highlight is these 3 different packages here. And will not start with that. Start with this little care package I ordered from Gamer Goo. I forget what they call it. I think it's a intro package, starter package, something like that right here. So you get to sample all 6 of their prime flavors. Don't eat it, no matter how good it smells. You get a sample pack of each of their 6 scents. You pick a 1.7 fluid ounce tube. Vanilla sugar is my favorite. Smells like sugar cookies every single time. T-shirt, size of your choice. We went with a thick boy, of course. Comes with some special offers from some of their partners. You give them feedback, they'll drop you an extra 20% on your next order. And a cute little sticker. You know what? We're gonna see if this will stick to the bag for any length of time. These are pretty good quality stickers. I've had one on my PC for about 3 years now. But my PC don't go fishing, so we'll see how this works. See if there's any real estate we can, yeah, right here by the scale. Just put that there. Check back in later on it. Probably something I end up having to clean up off the dock. So yeah, I mean, these, if you don't have the room for this big tub here, these sample packs, you can buy these all day long and you can mix and match your sample pack pretty cheap. If you've never tried Gamer Goo and you've got sweaty hands, hit me up in the comments and I might be able to get a sample pack headed your way, okay? All right. That's that. I paid for that. That was $29.95. This retails at $12.95. T-shirt retails at $25. So I mean, it's worth it. Nice way to get you some more swag, some samples to hand out to get. That's what we'll do. We'll hang on to the samples and hand them out to people. Put them here with our. This is their newest scent. Go ahead and throw that out there. Beach Breeze. See that? Just take a sniff. I don't know how I feel about that one yet. Like I said, vanilla sugar is my favorite. Okay, save that for last. Okay, so I've been on the mystery tackle box elite train for 3 months. November, December, January. Don't think we did October. No, October I think is when I did the Mondo box. So there was some major issues with shipping partners in January for MTB, December as well. So I decided I would check out a different subscription. So I ordered the Pro Model 6 cent sack. This is $36.99, I believe it was. I'm not affiliated. This is literally my opinion of them. I did notice with this compared to, say, Mystery Tackle Box, like this dude is chock full of hard baits. Not mad. We lose a lot of hard baits. We need more. So come with these 5.4 inch June Bug Clout stick baits. 10 pack of those. I got some weight to them, so I'm guessing those are going to sink real well. Then we got 5 crankbaits and a jig. Now this Divine Swim jig, Looks very attractive, and I just don't know what you tie onto that. I don't usually see a lot of orange chartreuse and black and blue together, so maybe just a black and blue crack and crawl for accent. Definitely have to add that to the box. Just a quarter ounce. Not really best for punching. I mean, it is a swim jig, so put that in the old jig box. Got the 6 cents Crush Mini 25 MD. It's a small crankbait. There's tell you the depth on the lure. Not really seeing it. This one's 4 to 7 feet, so actually it's deceptively deeper than you would think. It's actually deeper than the rest of them, believe it or not. They're full-size Crush, 3-ounce crankbait. This one is designed for up to 5 feet. What do they call this color? Chartreuse Sungill. The mini was Chrome Shiner. Then they got their lipless, big beefy boy. Like, I mean, this dude feels like it's got some weight to it. 5/8 of an ounce. Yep. Oh, this is their chrome bacon color. Okay. Definitely need new lipless. I bought a matter of fact, Sunday when we went fishing, I bought a new rattle trap and lost it. Now these two right here, these are both big beefy boys. But if you'll notice, like, this is a big beefy boy, but it's got the sharp square bill on the front. Then this one's got a square bill with a lip, just an offset L lip. One's the movement, one's the swank. Movement works on its own action. Yes, it's only 1 to 3 feet for this big old boy right here. Interested to throw that one, because, you know, typically the bigger the crankbait, the deeper it dives. But that one's got a tiny bill on it, so I'm interested in that. Now this big juicy boy, which is gold reactor color, the other one was copper green shad. So the swanks, power cranking to the next level, allowing you to cover water with a unique new sound and action. The L-style bill with loud rattles is uniquely designed, causing crankbait to swim erratically, 2 to 5 feet. So you've got these big juicy boys. Neither one of them goes below 5 feet. You got this tiny dude. Did I say 4 to 12? 4 to 7. You just never know. It's all about the shape of the lip, man. So this package was $36. So if we say, you know, stick bait's $5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I think they retail higher than that. Say $5 for the jig. So I'm not going to look these guys up, but we're going to give them price based on size. So we'll go 5, 10, 16, 22, 28. We're going to call these 8. 36, 44. So I mean, if we're anywhere close in the pricing, I mean, the bag's worth it. Then you get this cool little sack that works. It's not a dry bag, but I mean, you could throw some extra plastics in it, you know, like we can just throw all this right back in here till we get to the water to check it out. Won't be today. Sun's setting on us already. Had a late appointment with work today, so shot us out of fishing. Could have went fishing this morning, chose to sleep in. No regrets there. Okay, so maybe a little bit of regret. So for now, we'll just throw all this back in here. All right, everybody, we decided to come in and do our wrap up from the battle station. We did separate the video into 2 sections. We separated the tour of the tackle bag and the 6 cent stuff away from the tungsten. That we ended up talking about the tungsten quite a bit, so we'll put that in a different video. If you're interested in Gamer Goo, hit me up in the comments. Maybe we'll get you a sample pack sent out to you. If you want to buy something, we'll leave the link down below. Use discount code BAMA at checkout to save 10%. I love Gamer Goo. Even if you don't play video games, it's good for any situation in which your hands sweat. May it be sports, fishing, boating, anything like that. It's great stuff. Anti-slip. In the next video, we'll be talking about some tungsten worm weights. Thanks, everybody. Let's go fishing.